Let's look at this question. In a survey involving a sample of 1,200 adults, it was observed that for every 8 adults, 3 were men and 5 were women. How many men were part of the sample? Now, there are a lot of ways in getting the answer to this question, but one of the easiest way is for us to pay attention to some of the statements. Now, first of all, the sample was involving 1,200 adults, meaning the total number of men and women are 1,200. Now, the crucial part is for every 8 adults, 3 were men and 5 were women. So we are going to base on this statement to find the number of men that were part of the sample. Now when we say for every 8 adults, 3 were men, it means that whenever you pick 8 people, 3 out of 8 will be men. So let's do it this way. This will be men and women to be here. So with women, for every 8 adults, 5 will also be 5 out of 8 will also be women. So if you sum these two, you realize that you are getting the total of 8 over 8, meaning for men this is their fraction and for women this is their fraction. Now the question is asking that how many men were part of the sample. So to determine the number of men that were part of the sample, that is going to be 3 out of 8 multiplied by the total number of adults, and that is going to be 1,200. Now this is equal to 450. If you want to determine the number of women that were part of the sample, that is also going to be 5 out of 8 times 1,200, and this is going to be, which is 750. You can also do that by subtracting 450 from 1,200. You will still be getting 750 women. Now, since the question was asking about the number of men, the answer becomes C. Let's look at the next question.